DJI's next pocket-sized camera is generating serious excitement, and this time, the leaks feel more substantial than ever. A recently discovered FCC filing has revealed an unreleased DJI accessory called the Osmo Frame Tap, strongly suggesting that the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, or possibly a more advanced Pocket 4 Pro, could launch alongside a brand new wireless control solution. This compact accessory appears to be designed for creators who want quick, seamless control without constantly touching the camera itself. Adding to the anticipation, a newly surfaced image has emerged online, offering the clearest look yet at DJI's next-generation pocket camera. Compared to earlier leaks, this image reveals meaningful design changes that hint at a more capable and refined device. From physical controls to a noticeably larger body, everything points toward DJI rethinking how a pocket camera should perform for modern creators. Let's break down what these changes could mean and how the Osmo Pocket may differ from anything we've seen before. One of the biggest and most immediately noticeable changes lies in the physical control layout. The leaked image clearly shows multiple buttons positioned directly below the rotating display. While previous Pocket models relied heavily on touch controls and on-screen menus, this design signals a shift toward more tactile operation. For creators who film while walking, vlogging, or capturing fast-moving scenes, physical buttons can significantly speed up adjustments such as switching modes, changing settings, or starting recordings without interrupting the shot. The camera body design is another major talking point. The Osmo Pocket 4 appears noticeably larger than its predecessors and even bulkier than earlier leaked prototypes. This isn't just a cosmetic change. The front housing looks more structured and intentional, with visible passive cooling vents built into the design. This suggests DJI is prioritizing heat management, which could allow the camera to handle more demanding internal components, higher processing loads, or longer recording sessions without thermal limitations. The increased size has naturally sparked intense speculation about what's happening inside the camera. Many believe the housing is large enough to support a dual camera system. Earlier leaks hinted at a horizontal lens arrangement, but the latest image suggests the cameras may be stacked vertically instead. This vertical layout could allow DJI to integrate different focal lengths or shooting modes without compromising stabilization or balance on the gimbal. Interestingly, one of the visible lenses doesn't quite match expectations for a traditional pocket camera. This has led to growing theories that DJI may be preparing multiple variants, potentially a standard Osmo Pocket 4 and a more advanced Pocket 4 Pro. The button layout seen in the leaked image closely matches earlier testing units, reinforcing the idea that DJI has been experimenting with different configurations behind the scenes. Another key development is the appearance of the Osmo Frame Tap wireless remote. According to FCC documentation, this accessory is designed to work with portable imaging devices such as gimbals, action cameras, and 360-degree cameras. It is not a camera itself, but rather a compact wireless controller that likely uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for fast, low-latency communication. For creators, this could unlock new shooting possibilities, allowing remote control from a distance or easier operation when the camera is mounted in hard-to-reach positions. The timing of these leaks is also important. DJI appears to be moving quickly to secure regulatory approvals for upcoming products and accessories. This suggests a coordinated launch strategy, where the camera and its supporting accessories are introduced together, rather than as standalone releases. Such an approach would make sense for creators who rely on seamless ecosystems rather than isolated devices. Taken together, the design changes, expanded controls, possible multi-camera setup, and new wireless accessory point toward a pocket camera that is more versatile and creator-focused than ever. Instead of being just a compact, stabilized camera, the Osmo Pocket 4 could evolve into a modular tool that adapts to different shooting styles, environments, and creative needs. All signs indicate that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a meaningful evolution rather than a minor update. The combination of physical control buttons, a larger and more capable body, improved heat management, and the possibility of multiple camera variants suggests DJI is listening closely to creator feedback. Add in the newly revealed wireless remote, and it becomes clear that DJI is aiming to make the Pocket lineup faster, smarter, and more flexible than ever before. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, the consistency across leaks, images, and filings paints a compelling picture of what's coming next. If these details hold true, The Osmo Pocket 4 could redefine expectations for pocket-sized cameras and set a new standard for on-the-go content creation. As more information emerges, we'll continue breaking it all down with clarity and detail, right here on Technify.